All right. Good afternoon. Okay, friends, I am very happy. Why I am very happy? Because I got my camera back. I got my camera back. I got my mic back. I got my what have you? What my back? You know, laptop back. Okay, friends, today we will learn about a very important concept in OOPS known as polymorphism. Okay, let's get started. Okay, see, friends, I will finish this lecture very quickly. In this lecture, what you will get is you will get to know the meaning of polymorphism, you will get to know the meaning of method overloading, you will get to know the meaning of method overriding. Okay, so three concepts in this particular video you will take home with you. Okay, you are gonna take home with these these three concepts with you after this particular video. Okay, first things first. Hi everyone, how are you all? Okay, my name is Lethargic Mathematician. You are watching Lethargic Mathematician CSC lecture. Okay, see friends, polymorphism. When I'm saying polymorphism means poly means many, forms means functions, many function. Okay, but the function here is just one, but the characteristic of that one function is different. Okay, what do I mean by that? Okay, function in one place he will be what you call, he will behave separately. Okay, and function in one place he is having different property. Okay, and function in another place he is having a different property with him. Okay, so yeah, let me start now. Okay, how to start the lecture. Function in one place. Let's say you are there, right? You are there, I am here, right? In front of your parents your behavior is different. Okay, and in front of your what you call girlfriend your behavior is different, yes or no, right? And in front of your friends your behavior is different. Okay, so you have three different behaviors. Okay, and yeah, with another girlfriend you are having another behavior also. Okay, so we humans we have so many behaviors. Okay, once we are cool, once we are calm, once we are angry, once we are crushing teeth and all. This is the functionality of our human beings. Okay, similarly here also, friends, we will make many functions in Java, and that function is just a one function, but in one class that function is behaving a differently, right? And in another class the same function is having a different property. Okay, getting what I'm trying to say? Okay, and in another function in another class that function is having a different property. Okay, altogether. Okay, so let's get started, friends. It is like I can say that he's like a chameleon, right? I think anybody knows, right? Chameleon is basically one reptile in the Indian subcontinent. You can find chameleon. Chameleon is basically how quickly he changes his color, right? Let's say if chameleon is coming here in my table, he will make his color. Chameleon reptile will make her color from his original color to white color, because my table is white color. Okay, so this is the natural property of chameleon. Okay, so we cannot what you call identify whether this is chameleon or what. Okay, and if somehow this chameleon, if he is jumping to my sofa cum bed, he will change his color to white to gray. Okay, and if he is jumping on my table, my dining table, he will change his color from gray to black. Okay, so he knows how to switch colors. Okay, how to switch behaviors. You also know, right? If you're going in front of a girlfriend and all for date and all, how quickly you will change your behavior. Okay, how that quickness happening, how this quickness is happening, friends? Because here polymorphism is activated, your polymorphism mode is activated. Okay, we can say like this. Okay, so let's say class. Okay, so I will create some blueprint classes. And yeah, one more thing. This lecture is continuing from the lecture of inheritance. Okay, polymorphism is a continuation on what you call inheritance. Okay, so firstly go there and go to my previous lectures on inheritance and get yourself comfortable with inheritance. Then only come and watch the lecture on polymorphism, because then only polymorphism can come. Otherwise, polymorphism cannot come. Okay, openly I'm telling. Okay, so yeah, friends, polymorphism means many functions. Okay, but that many behaviors of one function. Okay, function is just one, but in one blueprint class he is behaving differently. In one blueprint another blueprint class in another blueprint class that same function is behaving separately. Okay, let me make a real life example in front of you. Okay, then only you will understand more perfectly. Okay, let's say I'm making a class of human. Okay, I'm making a blueprint class of human. Okay, and yeah, I'm here I'm not creating any instance variables. Straightly I'm creating one function. Okay, let's say the function name is static. Oh yeah, void okay, let's say void uh, my function. Okay, so throughout all code, my function is only the function that I will continue. Okay, so my function. Okay, so close braces follows as per the convention of Java because he is void, he is not returning anything. Okay, so let's say friends, I am giving the name of this function as this is my human function in front of his or her parents. Okay, so okay, so behavior in front of his parents, right? What happened to my laptop? You got hanged, yeah? No. So yeah. So in front of his parents, the function, let us see how he is behaving. Okay, so let us see. So how he is behaving, how he or she is behaving. He is behaving. He is very much, pretty much. He is very much. Let's say disciplined person, disciplined guy or a girl. He is very much disciplined. If he is not disciplined, what will happen? You know what can happen. Okay, so it is not better not to say what cannot happen. Okay friends, so yeah, so my blueprint class is now over friends. Okay, now friends, let me create one more blueprint class of human only, right? Of same human only, but this time human one. Okay, class, let's say human one. Okay, extending. Okay, extends keyword of Java will come, right? In that video I'm again and again telling you that please extends keyword is very very important. In my Tamil video, in my Hindi video, both videos I have said that extends keyword is very necessary, then only inheritance can work. Okay, class human one extends prolonged from human, right? Extends from human. Excellent, here we go, right? Yes. So friends, yeah, here my functionality of human, this is the functionality in front of his or our parents. Okay, now let us see, we are creating same human only, but we are creating separate category of this same human only because this human is a separate human, is he is not the same human that he used to be in home. Now he is outside from his home, he is meeting girls and all. Okay, so my human functionality, so let us create one more function, same function only, right? My function, because human is having one function, no, one body one function only, right? So my human, this time this function is little different. Okay, different in the sense means this is the same function but in front of his girlfriend. Okay, and yeah, if anybody girls watching this, you think you're in front of your boyfriend. Okay, but girls, no worries, they will only come to you. Okay, you don't need to go to meet your future husbands and all. Okay, so friends, this is the same human, but this time he is front of his girlfriend. Okay, so how he will behave? He is very much, what you call, romantic. Okay, if he's not romantic, what will happen? You will get angry, right? Girls will get angry, right? So he should be romantic, otherwise very difficult. Okay, so he is very much romantic in front of his girlfriend. Okay, so friends, this is the same human. See friends, this is the same function, same human functionality in front of his parent. He is very much disciplined, right? Same human, same function, right? But this time, you know functionality in front of his girlfriend is completely different. In home, he's very much disciplined, like this. He used to sit very disciplined, in a very disciplined way. He used to sit in his home and all. But in front of his girlfriend, he's very much, pretty much, he is romantic. Okay, same human, same function. Okay, let me create one more class of same human only, right? But this time I'm naming this as human two. Okay, which is extends from same human only. Okay, extends from same human only. Okay, so this time also same function. Okay, same function, my function. So this is the human function. This time in front of in his home, he's very much disciplined, right? And in front of his girlfriend, he's very much, what you call, romantic, right? And in front of his friends, this is the human two extends, right? This human two is the same human, but this time this human is in front of his friends. Okay, and in friends, he is very much, pretty much, what you call, he is very much uh, happy. Okay, let's say he's very much happy and he's very much joyful, he's very much, he cracks jokes and all, so he's very much happy. Okay, just see friends, this is only known as the concept of what you call polymorphism. Okay, if you observe carefully here friends, same function, void my function, right? Same function only. Okay, same function here, he is having different property, right? And in front of his girlfriend he is very much having different property, right? And same function, see, I have never ever changed the function only. Okay, the same functionality he's having, he's possessing, human is possessing with him. Okay, now friends, let us create one public class of main and access all the properties, different behavior of same human. Let us see we are getting or not. Okay, so this is only known as the concept of polymorphism. Okay, so this should be public class of main. All right, so let's get started, right? So what we will do, what we will do, let us create, right? Let us create, yeah, first things first, we should create an object for, no, first things first is main function, main method of Java, right? Main function of Java, because without main function, Java program is completely waste. Okay, this is these are known as methods, friends. Okay, methods means that are declared outside the main method, outside the main function. Okay, outside the main function, whatever you are declaring, they all are togetherly said to be as methods. Okay, if you say functions also, it is not that much what you call wrong, but correct only, right? If you say more clearly that they all are methods. Okay, if you say like this, it is more correct only, right? What is method? Method is nothing but a block of code that will perform a certain kind of task with him, right? So this is the human task which is he's performing in front of his parents. He's disciplined. Okay, human task, same human, same function in front of his girlfriend. He's very much romantic, right? In same human, same function in front of his what you call friends, he's very much happy and lively. Okay, so yeah friends, one by one, what we will do, how we used to proceed in Ohm's concept, we will create the object of, with the help of constructor, we will create the object of human first. Okay, this human. Okay, and now we will access the property of human, same human, right friends? See here, same human with one functionality, I'm accessing the property of same human dot my function, same function, I'm just accessing it, I'm just accessing it, and let me see what I will get. Okay, so but yeah, let me together finish all the program. Let me make objects for all the what you call human one, right? Human one. Then I will show you. Then I will show you. Then I will show you how polymorphism works. Okay, new keyword of Java. This time I'm creating function constructor object for whom? For human one, right? For human one. So yeah, semicolon close. Then yeah, now I want to access the property of human one, right? So h1 dot same function, right? Same function. This is only known as the concept of polymorphism. Okay, so yeah, same function. See friends, no change at all, right? I am accessing my function with h object. Okay, here I am accessing my function with same my function only with different object. Okay, with h1 object. Getting what I'm trying to say, friends? Okay, so yeah, this is human. So yeah, I think done only, right? So yeah, one more object is left, that is nothing but human 2. Okay, so human 2 h2 equal to what you call new keyword of Java, then human 2. Okay friends, semicolon close. Okay, yeah, one more thing, now let us access also, right? So h2 dot my function. Okay, just observe here carefully what I told till now. Okay, what I told till now. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means many forms, but in Java we have only one function. Okay, one function, but that one function is having different properties with him. Okay, I have created the example also in front of you friends. Okay, just see here, class of human class of human, functionality, first functionality in front of his parents. Okay, same human, same functionality, but in he's having a different functionality in front of his girlfriend. Okay, same human with same human, different class, but this time functionality in front of his what you call friends. Okay, he's very much happy and all, right, in front of his friends. Okay, just imagine here, same person but different properties. he's having. Okay, this is how polymorph. This is only known as the concept of polymorphism. Okay, and I have made the objects also here, friends. Let us call him, right? How you will get the result? Firstly, you will get the result of he is very much disciplined. Then you will get result of he is very much romantic. Then you will get result of he is very much happy. Okay, the answer is in front of you, gentlemen. Okay, he is very much disciplined. Okay, human is very much disciplined in front of his parents, right? He is very much romantic. Okay, he is very much happy. Okay, so this is how polymorphism works in Java. Okay, polymorphism in OOPS concept works in Java. Okay, very important concept this is, friends. Okay, now I think till here nobody is having any doubt. Okay, you and yeah, one more thing. It is not at all compulsory, that till human two only the code is finished, right? You can extend till human infinity also. Okay, one by one, what you will do? Just make the object and access the property of your same function. Okay, and till infinity you can continue the same function only. Okay, likewise also you can do. Okay, friends, I think till now I think you people have you don't have any doubt till here. Okay, let us now understand the concept of something called as method overloading and method overriding. Okay, so friends, they see method or mathematical method overloading. What is method? Method means block of code that performs a certain kind of task. Okay, this is a method that is performing a certain kind of task. He is very much disciplined. This is what this method is performing. Okay, this is what this method is performing. This is again a block of code, chunk